Hi there, my name is Johann and I'm an account executive here at UpGuard. Today, I'm excited to give you a demo of the data leak detection capabilities of our new cyber research product. But before we move into the demo, let's start with a bit of context. As we move into the cloud, the risk of data leakage has increased exponentially. Our new cyber research product helps organizations detect data leaks before they become costly breaches. Some key use cases for cyber research include brand protection, regulatory compliance, and monitoring third party. So how does data leak detection work? For you, it's as easy as providing UpGuard a set of keywords to monitor. These can be your brands, products, even the names of your key executives. Our security crawler will use those keywords to actively search the internet for any resources that contain those keywords. These search results are then fed into our platform and analyzed by a combination of security researchers and proprietary algorithms to determine whether what has been found poses a risk to your organization or your customers. This minimizes the number of false positives that you have to deal with, and our analysts can also assist you with putting together a remediation plan to get the leaks closed with a full audit trail for compliance. Our data leaks reporting feature provides analytics for your keywords search results, including those reviewed by our security researchers and those determined to be false positives. In the overview section, you can see the individual performance of each keyword for the selected period. This includes how many hits were reviewed and determined to be safe by our algorithm or a researcher, and how many hits resulted in a data leak finding. If you would like the search results to focus on a specific keyword and classification, auto-classified, analyst classified, or findings, you can click on any of the cell in the overview, and the search results below will update and focus on only the selected keyword and classification. To see the details of an individual data leak search result, click on the desired row. You can also filter search results by clicking on Filters, which will bring up the Filters panel, which slides out from the right-hand side of your screen. From here, you can filter out classification, source, keyword, or any combination of the three. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how the data leak detection module in cyber research works. If you are a current UpGuard customer and you're interested in trialing the cyber research product, please contact your technical account manager or leave us a message using the chat widget in the lower right corner of the app. If you have any questions, contact support@upguard.com.